Most beginner traders spend months searching for the perfect indicator. But professional traders focus on something else, their psychology. The biggest difference between losing traders and consistently profitable traders is not strategy. It's mindset. Top traders like Tom Hugart explain that most traders fail because emotions take control: fear, greed, revenge trading, and hesitation. Main 4 psychological habits. Point 1. Professionals think in probabilities. Big traders don't try to be right every time. They think in probabilities. They accept losses quickly and move on. Beginners hold losing trades hoping they will turn around. Professionals cut losses and protect capital. Point 2. They are comfortable with discomfort. Winning traders train themselves to do what feels uncomfortable. Holding winners longer. Avoiding revenge trades. Sticking to rules even after losses. This mental discipline separates amateurs from professionals. Point 3. They focus on consistency, not big profits. Beginners chase big profits. Professionals focus on consistency. Small gains repeated over time build confidence and long-term growth. Point 4. They follow rules like a machine. Top traders behave like machines. They follow rules regardless of emotions. No overtrading. No random entries. No impulsive decisions. Discipline becomes automatic. Final summary. If you are a beginner, focus on these 4 habits. Think in probabilities. Accept discomfort. Be consistent. Follow rules like a machine. Master these, and your trading will change. Follow for more trading psychology and gold market insights. Your mindset is your biggest trading edge.